Hello to our favorite audience of Twinkle Thomas Food TV. Today we're going to make some onion rings, and for that we of course need an onion, we need some cheese and pepperoni. For the beginning we need to cut down the onion into several pieces, into some rings, let's say, and separate them like as you see in the video. Put it into a comfortable pan or something else, and start cutting down the pepperoni, or you can also use sausage, and put them into those onions. We are going to later put this into the refrigerator. So now you are going to put some cheese onto them. It can be mozzarella or any other kind of cheese, and of course you're also going to add some ketchup or a pizza sauce, whatever you have, and add also some oregano. Put this to the refrigerator a little bit for some 30 minutes maybe, and then put them one by one into the eggs and then grated breadcrumbs. Whenever done, put some olive oil into the pan and turn on the gas and make them cooked. Make sure that both sides are cooked, and whenever ready you'll be able to taste it. Good appetite!